Most people plan vacations the hard way. 20 browser tabs open, hotel reviews everywhere, restaurant lists, random travel blogs. And somehow, 3 hours later, you still don't have a real plan. Claude AI can change that. You can build an entire vacation itinerary from one conversation. Not just ideas, a real day-by-day travel plan with activities, timing, budget estimates, restaurants, and backup options. Here's how. Open Claude and start with something like this. I'm planning a 5-day trip to Nashville, Tennessee with my partner. We like live music, great food, outdoor activities, and some relaxed days. Our budget is around $2,500 total, including flights. Create a complete day-by-day itinerary. Claude will organize your trip by morning, afternoon, and evening. It can suggest things to do, places to eat, estimated costs, and help balance busy days with slower ones. But here's where most people stop too early. The real power comes from the conversation after the first answer. You can say, add cheaper restaurant options. Give me a rainy day backup plan. Replace tourist attractions with local favorites. Find things we can do without renting a car. Claude updates the plan without making you start over. Now let's talk about something almost everyone leaves until the last minute: packing. Instead of searching generic packing lists, tell Claude, based on this trip, what should I pack? We'll be in Nashville in July. We have outdoor activities, casual days, concerts, and one nicer dinner. Now your packing list actually matches your vacation. Clothes, gear, documents, things you probably would have forgotten. Claude can also help before you arrive. Ask, what's the best area to stay for this type of trip? How should we get around? What should first-time visitors know? For international travel, this gets even more useful. Ask Claude about local customs, transportation, money, tipping, common mistakes, and things you should book before you arrive. It's like creating your own personalized travel guide. And if you're traveling with family or friends, Claude can even turn everything into a simple trip summary. Dates, plans, what everyone needs to bring, all ready to share. The biggest difference between Claude and a normal travel website is simple. You can talk to it. Plans change, budgets change, people change their minds. Just tell Claude what changed, and it adjusts with you. That's why AI tools like Claude are becoming everyday productivity tools. Not because they replace thinking, because they remove hours of frustrating busy work. If this helped, subscribe for a new Claude AI tip every day, and hit the like button if your next vacation might start with Claude.